Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. Today I am going to Aldi's for the first time in 3 years to do some grocery shopping. So bear with me guys, I'm trying to see what I'm going to do. Okay, so first they still use this. You put the quarter in and it pushes the quarter and it pushes this out the back of it. So they still use this right here. They actually still have an ad right here. So they still working with an ad. The front of their store is fruit. The front of the store is still fruit and vegetables. And then it goes down bakery, pastries, breads. It goes down like this. This is a newly remodeled store. They still have some of the things that I see some of my co-workers pick up, but I just don't go on all these. And I actually like this stuff. So here's the salsa she usually buy right here. So I'm gonna get one of these, a salsa that she usually buy from here, and I love it. Okay, I grabbed some popcorn for my little one because he was looking for popcorn. And then I went on here and picked up these by Simply Nature, the organic tortilla chips with the salsa. Now, one salsa they have with corn in it, that's the one I'm looking for. So all the eggs and dairy is up in here. They do have organic milk, lactose-free milk, and non-organic. Okay. So they pork links are $2.19. They have maple and non-maple. I'm gonna grab two. These are frozen, so I kind of like to look at my meat fresh. So I grabbed two that was fresh. What I noticed is they have like salmon. Salmon is $8, but I don't eat salmon, so I can smell the fish a little bit, not as bad though. Like I say, guys, it's been about 3 years since I've been at Aldi's. Okay, so bear with me. This right here, what is that? Those are pork ribs. That's $6, and that's expensive to me because I guess I have a bigger family to feed, so most of my meat come from Sam's Club. But this right here is not bad. It's $10, and it got like 8 pieces of pork chops in it. Grab this one right here. It's $9.39, so I'll grab that. These are the two fresh links I bought. This does look better though. I think I'm gonna grab these. So they got a note here that say ham price cut. It's now, the spiral ham is 89 cents. So if you want to buy spiral ham, it's 89 cents. There it is. 23. Then these are my pork baked back ribs. These are $12. It's one in a pack. It's only one in there. And they $12. So that's about the going price of those. Okay, like the ground beef, that's ground sirloin. Ground beef. So here's one for $8 or something. And how many pounds is it? It's 2.5 pounds. That's not a bad price. Let's see, the corned beef is $15. My God, I couldn't get that because it's too much blood. Here's some ribeye right here, $11 or something. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in there. Ribeye look good actually. So here is the organic ground beef. Oh my God, $17. $17. Let me see, a bone and a lamb chop. Wow, that's $8.99. Okay, ground turkey is $4.29 and $4.99. So that's $6.99. That's a nice healthy tray for $6.99. Okay, drumsticks is $1.89 a pound, so $6.60. I'm gonna call that as pricey for me. That's pricey. Okay, chicken thighs, which we like, and they're $8. Oh, it's a nice little one. Okay, I'll get these. The family pack. That was the fresh produce aisle. Now we're liking their vegetable pastas, aisle right now. So see, it's like all the sauces and everything down here. But this is like they boxed foods, shell foods, pastas. Like they Greek yogurts and plain yogurts, and they in bigger cups, which I like right here. See, now I'm a fan of this. I like this. Now this right here, you'll see me buy from like places. That's $3.75. Here's a lemon one. That's the first. This is a lemon. I'm definitely grabbing this one for $3.75. I do have like almond milks, which I'm a fan. We drink almond milk in our house, so we just got an original one right here. Okay, this is the coffee section right here. So they got different coffees. Oh, they got French vanilla flavored. Oh, okay. And then they have cappuccino mixes, the little K-cups. I bet those are good. They caramel. $4.29 actually, so it's not a bad price for them. Hazelnut coffee cup. Oh, so they have different ones. Midnight blend. I wonder what that is. Dark roast. Colombian. The donut store coffee. We got breakfast blend, house blend, and adventure blend. I wonder what adventure do. Ooh. Now for our breakfast bars and chews, let's have, these are here. These are the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 10 in the box, and they're $1.75. So that's not a bad price. So I will go for that. That probably will be one of the good ones. Ones that I would try. Then they have the chewy dip ones right there. The fruit and grain, $2.15. The sweet and salty is $1.99. And then the chocolatey pretzel almond is $1.99. So I'm gonna try the peanut almond dark chocolate chunk. Then this tea, my granddaughter drinks this tea, is $5.48. So that's not a bad price, because I saw them more expensive somewhere else. So I'm gonna grab those. Now the oats is $3.95. These are the quick oats I make, overnight oatmeal. So I do like these, and these are a bigger container for $3.95. So I'll definitely grab those. Purpose of my almond milk and my yogurt. Okay. So next, oh, syrup. I know the guys needed syrup. They said that. So the syrup is $2.35. And for my oatmeal, here is the granola. Here's the granola. This one is $2.29. I think that means it's a sale because it's red, and the red right here. So that's gonna also go with my granola and my overnight oatmeal that I make. I find the cereal to be a little steep. Some is at $4.41. Their price, which is called Millville, theirs is $2.79. Yeah, Cocoa Pebbles here is $4.09. So that's a little steep for me, guys. I won't be grabbing that. Last thing on my list is going to be some honey for my overnight oatmeal. Now this is called Clover honey. I don't know if it's good or what, but I'm gonna grab a small one just in case it's not. And this is what I sweeten my oatmeal with. Okay, so guys, this is what I grabbed. My cart right here. I know it's not much, but I haven't been in here in so long. I really have to take a look at what I got. Oatmeal. I got those. We got popcorn. That sweet indulgence. The grapes, the tortillas, the popcorn, and the salsa. I wish I could have found the one with the corn in it. The almond milk. And the Greek yogurt, which I think I'm going to go change this out for plain yogurt, because I don't want it to have a weird taste when I make my oatmeal. And the peanut butter is $1.85. I'll grab that. So let me back. I'm going to grab the honey yogurt. Okay, so now here's one of my things. It's a line. Everywhere I go, it's a line. Lines. Okay, guys, so I actually found this black bean. These are the ones I was looking for. I didn't know they was in here. And then I found my corn salsa to go with it. So, okay. Aldi's. You just made me feel good about myself. So the checkout line, this is my checkout. So I'm just waiting to check out, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for all of this, okay? Okay, guys, so my Aldi's receipt is right here. And everything came up to $65.81 before taxes was added on. I thought that was steep. I actually went in there to grab some food for today and tomorrow and decided to do grab some things I needed to do for my meal prepping for my overnight oats, okay? And if you want to see that, guys, let me know. I will do a video on that. So this is what else I saw that I liked. They have a sneak peek of next week's ad, which is fantastic. It begins January 31st. So they have a sneak peek of their ad. Am I satisfied? Yes, overall. I'll go back because I did like the atmosphere. I like that the deals was kind of good, and it wasn't congested, but the line moved quick. So I will go back, guys, but that's my first shopping trip to Aldi's in 3 years. So hey, guess if you want to see more Aldi's shopping videos, I'll show those to you too, because I will go grocery shopping in there again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, guys. Bye.